back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a July Ipsy unboxing and some other stuff I bought online from like Poshmark and other like retail shops online. And so I'm really excited for today. So first I'm going to start with Ipsy. I'm so excited. First off, look how cute this bag is. So I got a couple like add-ons for $3. These are sleeping masks. Ooh, I always wanted to try this. Yeah, there's 2 of them in here. And then this is a waterproof mascara, which I want to try waterproof. Never done before. Smells weird, but this is interesting packaging. I like that. First thing I'm gonna open is this Murad Essential C Cleanser. Created by a renowned dermatologist, this line of high performance products is known for being super effective. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, the nourishing formula deep cleans and rehydrates skin while protecting from free radical damage. Plus, it's great for all skin types. I love a good cleanser and I love skincare. Next is, oh, I'm so excited, Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash. I've always wanted to try this. And yeah, I've heard great reviews on this. Oh my god. I got a haircut a couple weeks ago. I love mascara. I need to start wearing makeup more. I think I might do like my makeup later today because I'm going out with my friend for lunch. And you know, I love makeup. This is what it looks like. Oh, yeah, I don't know if I showed you. This is the waterproof one. They look pretty similar, but I'm excited to try this. Ooh. Oh, no polish. Carico Color. Ah, I love this color. Purple. I love purple. Ooh. See, the name is called Mercury Rising. I love this color. I love purples. I love this one. And then I got Cotton Candy Blusher. Phase Zero Makeup. I think it's a blush. Let me get my nails done. Oof. I love blush. I only have like 2 good blushes, so this is good. Cute packaging. Nice. Ugh, there's this like black speckle in here. You see that? I think it's a good blush for me. You can see it. Kind of very subtle. There's a mirror. It's nice. I like that. I like trying new things. The next thing is the Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow in Ooh La La. Ooh. It says, what's the tea? Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini. Oh, that is so cute. I love a good brown color for the crease. I like it. Super cute. Good to travel with. So yeah, that's it for the Ipsy box. I really liked this one. This is probably, I think I liked this one better than last time. And I'm excited to use this. And the nail polish. Ugh, I love this. Now, on to other makeup. I ran out of my Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is my holy grail for setting powder. And I got it off this, it's like Poshmark, it's called Versace. I don't know, but I'll put it up here somewhere. But it's like Poshmark, and me, I don't like to spend the full price on like good things. Like the full price was $39, and I got this for like $23 or $24. And yeah, this is just the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And yep, it's not been open, and I'm really excited about that. Yes. And the next one is my first luxury purse, I guess. I'm excited because I bought this with my own money. And the first one I bought, it was so tiny, and I wanted like a small one, like a casual bag, like to put here, like to go to the mall or something, like to Boston. But it was too fucking small, so I had to return it. And I'm hoping this is the right size. If it's not, it would be. Thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoy it. That's cute. Aha. There we go. This is a long chomp purse. Ooh, it's super cute. I think it's the perfect size. Ugh, I love it. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what I got it for. $32. In the original, I think it's like $75. But yeah, I'll put all the prices like up here somewhere. I love this. So I ordered a couple more things online. That's gonna come soon, maybe next week. But I'll be back. Bye. Okay, hey guys. So today is July 27th. It's been like a week or so since I unboxed all this stuff. This stuff took a while. It was so annoying. So I look bad. I just got in the shower and been breaking out a lot, which I'm not really sure why. But I think I'm gonna save the best for last. So this is a phone case I got from Mercari. It's like Poshmark. And this was $9, and I think it was like a couple dollars for shipping. And this took a while. I was so annoyed. Ooh, it looks brand new. Look how cute it is. I love this color. Yeah, perfect. Yay. Then the next one is a sticker for my mirror, because I have a collage thing I'm doing. I just want to cut it. Instructions. So yeah, it's just a breast cancer sticker. I'm gonna put on my mirror. I'll take it with me. This is my mirror so far. I got 1, 2, 3 in the Cape Cod. And yes, this is my collection. I'm gonna put this right here. Let me just peel it off. Ooh, that's super cute. Love it! Okay, now it's time for the bathing suit. So this is Triangle. It's a really expensive bathing suit brand, and I've been obsessed with the style. So I got this one at Poshmark for $18, and the total was like $26 or $24 with shipping. And this one took a while. Person who I bought it from, it took a while to ship it. Ooh, and yeah, it's in the original box. And this is, I hope it fits. I got an extra large. Is there like a note in here? Just that. bottoms. Super cute. Extra large. And then this is the top. And those straps. I love it. I'm gonna try it on. Hope to God it fits. So this was like brand new. I think she only wore it once, the girl. But yeah, BRB. The bottoms fit perfectly. They're super cute. Does not fit. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm like coming out. I might return this. Ugh, I'm so mad. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, the bottoms were so cute. And I kind of knew it wasn't going to fit. It was an extra large and it said it's a D double D. And I'm a double D, but it didn't really fit me quite well. Like, the cup was right, but it was just very like short. So, I think I'm going to return it and maybe buy another style like this, but I'm not sure. Thanks for watching.